Greetings everyone. Today we want to show how you can extract images from a PDF or Windows XPS or Illustrator files and have them embedded into a new InDesign file using PDF2ID. This is a really cool feature of PDF2ID. As all of you are aware by now, we just need to switch to InDesign and use the PDF2ID convert PDF/XPS file command to convert files to InDesign type using PDF2ID. So here we have the PDF2ID convert PDF/XPS file command. We just invoke it. Once the PDF/XPS file window appears, we simply select the file to convert and click OK. So we select any file. Let's just select this file here and click Open. And let's just click OK over here when the PDF2ID tip appears. Now here's a really interesting part. Once the PDF2ID options window appears, what we want to do is click the conversion kind drop-down list and choose the extract only images option. So what we're going to do is choose the extract only images option right over here. And you'll notice immediately how you get a different set of options. And if we just go over them, PDF2ID allows you to specify and control how each image type should be converted. So here we have the option convert RGB/CMYK images with ICC profiles to, and you can choose between JPEG, PNG, TIFF RGB, TIFF CMYK, TIFF RGB/CMYK. And if you go down further, it says convert non-RGB/CMYK images with ICC profiles to, and again you get the same kind of options as before. And then we have convert RGB/CMYK images with no ICC profiles. And finally we have convert non-RGB CMYK images with no ICC profiles. And again, a similar set of formats to convert to. So you get to choose and control how you want your images formatted. You also get to choose whether you want to include the ICC profiles using the preserve profile checkbox over here. Now, if we go down further, it says compression over here, and compression is enabled only when we convert to the JPEG type. So if we select the JPEG for one of these options, you notice that the compression is activated, and you get to choose between least, medium, and best. Going further to the right, it says resolution. You get to control whether you want to maintain their image resolution or drop down the resolutions. And we have a couple more really interesting options over here that we've provided. Group overlapping images. This is when images overlap, we allow you to group them. So you can set the property over here, and whether clipping paths should be maintained, and that's controlled by the apply clipping paths option over here. And then finally, whether you want to keep the original size or you can scale the image to a particular size. So we provided a lot of control in extracting only images. It's very, very robust, so you can tailor your workflow according to your needs. Let's just convert the file. Let's just click OK to convert the file, and you'll notice that it converts very quickly, and PDF2ID has already converted the file. And if we just go through the links panel, so these are all the images that were contained in the PDF, and it's just converted. And you can notice that yes, the image resolution has been maintained, the image type has been formatted to TIFF, and the type is RGB, etc., etc. And you can keep on doing this and verifying the image type that has been generated. And if you notice this image that we're going to select now over here, you'll notice that the clipping path has been applied and retained. So how cool is this? You know, you can just extract images and embed them into a new InDesign file. So PDF2ID has a lot of flexibility built in, and you can tailor your workflow needs as required. PDF2ID has been engineered and developed by Recosoft. For more information, please visit us at www.recosoft.com. That's www.recosoft.com. Thank you and goodbye.